Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Surah Baqarah, Ayat 144. Qad nara taqallaba wajhaka fis-samaa'i falanuwalliyannaka qiblatan tardaha qawla wajhaka shatral masjidil harami wa haythu ma kuntum qulu wujuhakum shatra wa annal ladzina utul kitaba لَيَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا يَعْمَلُونَ. English translation: We have certainly seen the turning of your face, O Muhammad, toward the heaven, and we will surely turn you to a Qibla with which you will be pleased. So turn your face toward Al-Masjid al-Haram, and wherever you believers are, turn your face toward it. Indeed, those who have been given the scriptures well known that it is the truth from their Lord, and Allah is not unaware of what they do. Word to word translation: Kad, certainly, Nara, we see, Takallaba, turning, Wajhaka, your face, Fi, in, As-samai, the heaven, Falanuwalliyannaka, we will surely turn you, Qiblata, a Qibla, Tardaha, with which you will be pleased, Qawla, so turn, Wajhaka, your face, Shatra, towards, Al-Masjid, the Masjid, Al-Harama, Al-Haram, Masjid al-Haram, Wahaisu, and wherever, Ma, whatever, Kuntum, you all are, Qawlu, turn, Wujuhakum, your face, Shatran, towards it, Wa inna, and indeed, Allazina, those who Utu were given, Al-Kitaba, the scripture, Laya'lamuna, surely know, Innahu, that it is, Al-Haqqu, the truth, Min, from, Rabbuhum, their Lord, Wama, and not, Allah, Bighafilin, unaware, Amma, of what, Ya'malun, they do. Explanation of this verse: This verse acknowledged the Prophet Muhammad longing and anticipations for the direction of Qibla to be changed. Allah responds to this by turning the directions of prayer toward Al-Masjid al-Haram in Makkah, a direction that would please the Prophet and the believer. The command to turn the face toward Al-Masjid al-Haram is reiterated, emphasizing that all believers, wherever they are, should face it during their prayer. This change of Qibla is also an affirmation for those who have been given the scriptures, Jews and Christians, that this directive is indeed the truth from their Lord. The verse concluded by assuring that Allah is fully aware of their action and intention. Reason for the revelation of this verse: the revelation of this verse comes in the context of the historical change of Qibla. Initially, the Muslim prayed facing Jerusalem. However, the Prophet Muhammad often looked to the sky, seeking Allah's guidance and hoping for the directions to be changed towards the Kaaba in Makkah. This was a place of great significance to the Prophet and the early Muslims. In response to the Prophet's sincere desire, Allah commanded the change of Qibla. This change was significant not only for aligning the directions of prayer with Kaaba, but also for establishing the distinct identity of the Muslim Ummah, separate from other religion communities. The verse also addresses the pupil of the book, affirming that this change is a divine truth. It serves as a reminder that Allah's commands and guidance are based on His wisdom, and believers should follow His instruction with trust and obedience.